All right, we got another quick little job that we just finished up. Showed you some before and afters. And we put some of that Grant 7 on the Oh My Clear. I also did a gold pearl on top of this orange. So it's got like a little gold flip to it. If you can see it right there, that definitely shows it off pretty good. So just getting another one done, man. It's just gonna be a short little video and just showing you what we got going on. That pearl flipping right there. And no, I didn't add it in the clear. I actually used Intercoat clear or a binder to add the. Ooh, it was really hitting right there. But I used the Intercoat clear with the pearl in it. So this was a 3-stage paint job. Was something quick for the customer, man. Really inspired by the homie True Grit, man. He been laying down a lot of cars, man. He just been blessing them. So I said, let me go ahead and jump on board, man, and start doing a little bit myself. But this one gonna be another short, quick video, man. I got a lot going on, so I'm trying to really get 10 toes down and knock a lot of this work out. This one ain't finished. Got a lot that I still gotta do. Bumpers is painted, front and back. But gotta finish up a couple more things, wings and stuff like that. Clean it all up, put it all back together. So we should have a finished product here soon. But that gold pearl, man, this is really setting this thing off. I like it. Might be used on a future project of mine. I don't know yet. But yeah, man, we got a lot going on. The cars just keep changing. Got a couple of them out, got a couple more coming in. See, there go pearl. Front and rear bumper. Got another charge I'm getting ready to do today. If I can get this cover off. But nothing special. Just going black. So we're gonna knock this one out. And I'll probably do another short video on it too. Got the doors off, finna get everything hung up and taped and everything and get this one going. So just want to show you guys what we actually doing. And we working, man, working hard, man, working hard. So just want to show you guys what I had going on. So it's your boy, the UP King, and we out.